In the default configuration, the TF5 picks up the aircraft from the side. First, maneuver the TF5 to the aircraft. Then lower the lifting platform to the lowest position until it stops automatically. And then open the gate. To do so, turn the locking pin by 180 degrees, and then open the gate using the lever. Make sure that the gate is open to the maximum before approaching the aircraft. Again, make sure that the tug is in slow mode, and then carefully approach the nose wheel. Place the wheel or wheels in the center of the mount. Afterwards, the gate can be closed with a firm push. Check that the locking pin is engaged, otherwise, the gate is not closed properly. As soon as the nose wheel is in position, lift the platform just slightly off the ground. Then put on the secure straps over the nose wheel. In case of twin tires, we recommend to put on at least one of the two straps. These can be attached to the bar on the opposite nose wheel adapter with a hook before tensioning it by using the lever. After that, bring up the platform to the upper end position. Then, the turntable mode must be changed to the middle setting, so that only the tug rotates around the nose wheel. Turn the tug until it is facing in the direction of travel, before switching back the turntable mode to default. Please make sure the parking brake of the aircraft is in the off position before the towing operation starts. The aircraft is secured in the tug during the operation. As soon as no driving command is given via the remote control, the magnetic brakes engage immediately, or release automatically when a driving command is given. You can hear this by a load clicking sound. We recommend to move the joysticks gently in the desired direction and not to fully deflect them immediately. Meanwhile, the operator can move freely around the TF5 and the aircraft to avoid any wing damage. When turning, pay attention. The maximum angle of the nose wheel must be observed. We recommend to disconnect the torque link if possible. If during the operation a turn is made which normally exceeds the maximum possible turning angle of the nose gear, it can be adjusted to zero position at any time by moving only the turntable and not the whole tug via the remote control. The aircraft can be turned right on the spot. All you have to do is turn the tug by 90 degrees, leaving the nose wheel in its original position. Afterwards, the aircraft can be moved in the desired direction of rotation. Depending on the available space, it can sometimes be used to turn the tug 180 degrees under the aircraft to save space. To do this, you can simply select the mode in which the tug rotates around the nose wheel. With the TF5, the aircraft can be either pulled or pushed.